Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a recipe that I really like. It is a kind of emergency recipe, and this is all about avocado and pasta. So you want to get some hot water, you want to add some olive oil and some salt, and then you can add in your spaghetti and cook them for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you can prepare your avocado, and I know this is a horrible shot. Somehow filming wasn't the best that day, but just prepare your avocado as you usually would, and then add some olive oil and then the spices you like. I started out with some salt and later added some other spices and some garlic, and then you want to puree that. Unfortunately, my avocado was completely green, so it was almost not edible. But you want to drain your spaghetti and put the avocado paste in there. And then you want to cut down some tomatoes and throw that in there as well. And then you want to give it all a good mix, and your dinner is ready. This is a very kind of last minute emergency recipe you can do when you have a very long day and you just want to come home and eat something nice. And as I said, make sure you have a good avocado, because this one was trash, and yeah, I was just very unlucky, I guess. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye!